all my friends, welcome yet again to my channel. Thank you so much for your love, support and blessings. Please keep it coming, and I take this opportunity to thank my spirit guides, my power animals, all my allies around me who are always by my side, who are always blessing me in some way or the other, and who always provide a shield on me. And may I take this opportunity also to um, portray this positivity to everyone who is watching this channel, all the viewers who have joined right now, all the viewers who have been along with me for my journey. Thank you so much. Moving on, this is a general reading. And the topic for this reading, what I have taken for this time, is advice, guidance, and direction. There comes a point in our life when we stand on a T point or on a juncture, when we get confused, when we look towards others, when we look towards our friends, our colleagues, our close confidants. It's a very confused state of mind. So, this reading is dedicated to that phase of mind, that state of mind. In this reading, I'll try my best to give you some solutions as to what you should do right now if you are at this point in your life. So, this reading is a sign specific reading. This reading is dedicated to my Taurus sign. To all my Taurians, hello, all the Taurians out there. How are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. Please do not get confused with sun, moon, rising, and love signs. Whatever sign resonates with you, please follow that reading. If the reading resonates with you, please do write in the comment section below. All the new viewers who have joined right now, please do not forget to like, subscribe this channel. And let's begin the reading. Alright, my Taurians, how are you all? If you have been stuck at some position, if you are stuck at some T point or some juncture in your life, where you are worried as to where to go, which direction to take, or the direction which you have taken is right or wrong, whether you are doing good, whether doing correct, what obstacles can be there, how do you need to cross them, let's see. Okay, the strong points, Taurians, your strongest attributes is that you are very flexible. You know how to adjust yourself as per the waves, which is very, very strong point of your character. You know very well, you foresee these situations beforehand, which is very good, which is very, very advisable also, as if you can foresee things, if you can already analyze the future at certain point. Okay, now this is going to happen, and you change your course of direction, you change your course of action as per the requirement, then you are a true winner. Whereas some people, they fail to understand, they fail to foresee the future in certain points, in certain events, in their businesses, in their enterprises, because of which, if they do not become flexible in today's scenario, then they have to face losses in near future. But Taurians, this is your strong point. You analyze things, you go with the flow, you are always present, you are always with the current situation, you are always on your toes, and this helps you out a lot. Use this strong quality of yours and go with the flow and keep adjusting the sails as per requirements for very, very progressive times ahead. Then, are you on the right path? Yes, my Taurians, you are on the right path. This is a very, very positive direction that you have chosen. Please do not worry. Please do not overthink about it. This is a right path. Be on it. Stay on your ground. Be very, strong-headed. Your principles. Oh, I have a jumper card, especially for you, Taurians. Very, very positive card. See, if you would like to see, this is a very positive card. This is a card for positivity. This is a card for health, wealth. Everything is going to be in your favor. And this came when I was talking to you about whether you are on the right path or not. Yes, this path is going to provide you with lots of prosperity, with lots of materialistic gains as well. This path is your goal achiever path. Do not deviate from this path. Be strict, be strong on it, be strict on it. This is going to give you very good results. All you need to do is put a lot of strength, put a lot of valor into it, and this will give you very, very good results. And the main obstacles, my dear Taurans, what you're going to face is, you know, for every path, for every goal, for every dream, it is not possible that it's a straight line. No, it is always a curve. If it goes up, it comes down, then again it has to go up. So please do not be disheartened or do not feel sad if the graph goes down. You are on the right path. You are doing your best. You can foresee whatever is going to come in near future. But if you have to bear some losses, if the time comes when you have to, go a little back, you have to step back, please do not be disheartened by it and do not stop going further. We have to maintain the persistency. We have to maintain the continuity of our work. That is the only way to get success. Do not, please do not do that. Do not stop working. Do not stop praying. Do not stop being positive. It's okay if the graph goes down, it will definitely go back up. The catapult, the more it goes back, with that much force only it is going to come forward. So please, Taurians, keep that in mind. And how is this going to help you? This is going to help you extremely in establishing yourself. This path which you have chosen for yourself, this path on which you are working, this is a very, very good path for you. On this path, you will get laurels, you will get accolades from the people who are around you, your team, your network team, your people, your relatives, your colleagues, your peers. Everyone is going to recognize you as a strong person who has passed through the difficulties of life, who has passed through difficulties of events and situations and emerged as a winner. So you are not going to be a very fruitful person, not only for yourself, but as an ideal for others, as an example for others. So you have to do it not only for yourself, but for others as well. And this progress can be made with connection with others, with lots of networking, with being in the social circle. Do not pull yourself back in loneliness. Do not pull yourself back as a lone person, as in depression and grief. No, not doing that. Go out, meet people, make lots of new friends. You never know in which place or in which person could help you out, and you will be surprised to see the results working in your favor. So, Taurans, good time ahead. You are on the right path. Please continue doing it. Stay strong. God bless.